All right, so I've actually explored Kalodata and Fastmoss at the same time. So I have a professional account on the Kalodata platform, and I think I have another premium account on the Fastmoss. So we're gonna look into both platform and then the features as well as the pricing. So you to actually help you to make an informed decision on what or which platform you can actually go for, right? So we're gonna check one after the other, and let's see what each of them actually got. So basically, I make a full video review about Kalodata and all the features about Kalodata. So you can watch the video at the top right, or just check on the channel. We literally don't have much video right there, so it will be easier for you to find the video. And I don't know when exactly you find this video, but then I'm sure you definitely find the video one way or the other on the channel, right? So we explore almost everything about Kalodata. So then you can decide on if the tool is actually okay for you to go about, right? Then on this particular feature right here, so you can see how many country Kalodata is serving. So you can see United States, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, Philippines, United States, and Singapore. I think that's like 8 countries, right? So on Fastmoss, I think 8 countries as well, right? You can see they just added 2 countries. You can see Mexico and Spain. So there's different right there. So if you are from Mexico or Spain, I think you now have access to use Fastmoss for your research, basically. Sorry. All right. So then if you navigate to different countries, you'll be able to see what product that are actually trending right there. So if I navigate to United States, right, United Kingdom right here, so you'll be able to see different products compared to United States that we are actually checking before. All right. So you can see the product is changing and it's updating right there. And for Fastmoss as well, if you navigate to the United Kingdom, so you can see all these products will change right now. All right, so you can see what I'm talking about. So you can see, so they both work on the same level on that particular feature right there, right? So on the other hand, we can also check on the pricing, which of course I believe it's very important. So checking on the pricing, you're gonna see all the price that Kalodata have, and then you can see for the monthly plan, that's like $46 for the professional, which of course I'm actually running right now, and that's one of the best pro account. Then you can see $90, then enterprise plan. And if you go for the yearly, you're gonna be paying $75 for professional, and then for the starter, you're gonna be paying almost $39 thereabout. So, and for Fastmoss, let's check on the pricing. What do they have the pricing, right? So this is the pricing page. So they have a basic, which is 19. I used to get confused about this. I think this is it euro, right? This euro, 19 euro. For the pro, 59 euro, and for the ultimate, so 279, and they have custom plan. So you can also do B annually. So you can see basic, that's like 6 months. So you can see right there, and they also have annual plan. So you can see right there, right? And if you check on the features, you're gonna see all the features right there. Let's do this monthly, right? So these are the features right there. These are the features. So it all depends on which one you actually want to go for, and we have a link in the description, which of course you can use to sign up on the platform with 30%. Some give you 20%, and some will give you 15%, and it's based on depending on the plan you actually go for. So if you go for the professional, so you're gonna get 30% for Kalodata, and for I think for Fastmoss with our link, because we actually discuss with them. So we make much content about this platform, so you can also get 30% of any plans you actually purchase on Fastmoss, and that's fact, right? So if I navigate to United States back, so let's check. So the money will change to United States to dollars. So you can see this 29, this is 79. This is almost the same thing with professional on Fastmoss on Kalodata, right? So you see this one right here, ultimate, and then you can see custom on our Kalodata right here. So you have this. So they have a starter, they have a professional, and they have a custom, which is enterprise. So they don't put their own enterprise cost on that particular features, right? So you can see all these features right here. You can see all these features, and both platforms are actually easy to also operate, right? So let me log in my account on Fastmoss, continuing with Google. Alright, so I'm signing in right now. Cancel. So I have access to almost everything literally. So right, you'll be able to navigate on different products. You can see on this drop down right here, you can see creator, you can see shops, you can see ads, videos, and some other stuff. Like they added AI to video script creation. So you can see right there, I think this is like a new feature they just added. So you can also use this to find products, find shops, find creators, AI creation. You can see AI video script comparison, then script creation, and product highlight extraction, right? And for under the find product, you can see top selling product, most promoted by creator. You can see high commission product. Then for the find shop, you can see top selling TikTok shop, the fastest growing TikTok shop with the most related creator, right? And under the lives, we have top live shopping, top live streamers, top selling live streamers. So there's a lot of features right here, and as it is on Fastmoss, we also have it on Kalodata right here. So let me go back to explore, then you're gonna see what I'm talking about. So let me change it back to United States. All right, so you can see all these features right here. If you navigate to competitors list, brand strategy, affiliate creator, auto video, trending product, auto live, so you can see everything is almost the same thing. Then we have categories, we have shops, we have creator, we have product. So let me show you what I'm talking about on that drop down. So you can see emerging creators, top video creators, top live creators. You can see what I'm talking about. So you can see all creators on these features right here, and on through this drop down, you can see on the left side, you can see account type, followers, some other features, revenue sources, and then revenue trend as well. So then you can see all this one as well. So these are basically a rough comparison about these two platforms, and I'm gonna say this, I can literally tell you this is the particular one you should actually go for, right? Because these two platforms have their own uniqueness, and I'm very sure if you try to explore, you might actually find what I'm actually talking about. Because here is it, you might be in a country whereby Kalodata is not supported, so I didn't see any reason why you actually want to use Kalodata to do product research, right? But then if you are in Mexico or Spain and you find out that your country is listed under Fastmoss, I think the next thing you just have to do is just go with Fastmoss, right? But then you definitely find things much easier depending on the platform you're actually trying to use. But then for my own personal experience, I found Kalodata much more easier to navigate. That's just my own personal experience. I don't know about you, but then if you try to check around, then you'll be able to make your own decision. But that's just my own decision, that okay, this platform, I found it so easy to work things around, and it's literally amazing for me. It's working for me. And some people will actually find Fastmoss much more easier to use, to work with, right? So you can see all these features right here. Some people will actually find it more easier, and some will also find this one easier as well. So by going to the category, going to shops, going to all that, so some people also find it so easy to use. So it's just individual experience, right? So this is just all I have to say about these two platforms. So they are both great and they are both amazing, very easy, and also okay. And then if you decide on which one actually want to go for, you can use the link like I said in the description to sign up on any of this platform and get up to 30% off on any plans you actually go for, right? And if there's anything you actually want me to talk about regarding these two platforms, can you let me know in the comment section, and I'll be very much happy to create a video, like a well detailed video about that particular topic. Thank you.